Today I'll be unboxing kids camera with stabilizer tripod. Portable lanyard hang. USB charging cable. You can use this to transfer photos or videos to your PC. Tripod. 1080p HD video. Cute appearance, safety material. Special IPS screen for eye protection. User manual. There's a time-lapse function. 2, 5, and 10 seconds timer, which takes the picture automatically. The camera comes with a 32GB TF card. Charging time 4 hours. Continuous use 2 to 3 hours. 40MP rear and selfie dual camera. 8 times digital zoom. 6 modes on this camera. The video, the lapse, photography, playback, games, and settings. 6 filters. 5 stem games. 10 special effects, 43 funny frames for selfies.